ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமக. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமக. தசகம் 81. நரகாசுர வர்த வர்ணனம். The slaying of Narakasura. Bhagavata Skanda 10 chapters 58 and 59 form the basis for this dashaka. The episodes of the wedding of Draupadi and the carrying away of Subhadra are taken from the Mahabharata. Shloka 1. स्निग्धां मुग्धां सततमपि तां लालयन् सत्यभामां यातो भूयः सह खलु तया याज्ञसेनी विवाहम् पार्थ प्रीत्यै पुनरपि मनागास्थितो हस्तिपुर्यां शक्रप्रस्थं पुरमपि विभु संविधाय गतो भूः. Word by word meaning. Snigdham, the affectionate. Mugdham, and very beautiful. Tam, Satyabhamam, that Satyabhama. Satatam api, always. Lalayan, caressing. Bhuyaha, thereafter. Taya sahakalu, along with her indeed. Yagya Seni Vivaham, to the wedding of the daughter of Yagyasena, that is Draupadi. Yataha, thou didst go. Partha Prityai, for pleasing the Pandavas, the sons of Pritha. Punaha api, again. Hastipuryam, in Hastinapura. Manak, a little while. Asthitaha, thou didst stay. He Vibho, O all-pervading Lord. Shakraprastham, Puram api, the city known as Indraprastha also. Samvidhaya, having founded. Agataha abhuhu, thou didst return. Full meaning. Always caressing the affectionate and beautiful Satyabhama, thou didst thereafter go to the wedding of Draupadi along with her. Then thou didst stay for some time in Hastinapura to make the Pandavas happy. O all-pervading Lord, thou didst then found the city of Indraprastha and didst thereafter return to Dwaraka. Om Tat Sat.